Hi there. So, a marriage just took place, and we have some anomalous things going on here. Above love, you can see some anomaly, and then, of course, we have the one in the lower right and center. It was a little different a few minutes ago. I started the video over. But this is what we have right now. They're attracted, I guess, to the electricity. You see some hologram effect also. We've only got a few seconds before we lose connection. But I'm going to move this so I can show you the one on the lower right's changing a bit. See that? Yeah, we're getting ready to lose it. This is the one up here I was looking at. The one above love. It's definitely different. So I just want to do a quick share on this anomaly going on. Isn't that something? It's got to have something to do with the energy up here, that right there. Okay, I'm out. See you on the next step.